for the recognition. So this is a recognition for the artistic merit. It is not a competition po, ma'am. So yun, daghang salamat yun kayo sa inyong suporta as a Filipino artist.
Anyway, Sir Alvin, si Bombo Donald po ito sa kabilang linya, kasama po si Bombo Mira. Sir, pwede po ma-expound ninyo, ano po itong award na nabato nimo sa imuhang abilidad bilang isa ka pintor, sir? Ano ning Leonardo da Vinci International Award po?
Kaning award is from Italy ni siya. It's a recognition for the artistic merit. So sometimes misleading ang mga information sa social media. But this is not a competition po, sir. So hindi po siyang competition. Hindi po ako nanalo. And then I am just recognized by the board of curators po na to receive a recognition, an award of recognition po sa siguro po sa aking mga obra. So yun po, sir, yung istorya ng Leonardo da Vinci Award. And then they are scouting all over the world for the outstanding, maybe outstanding artist or sino yung mapili nila to receive the award. So I was also invited. So yun po, sir.
Sir Elvin, first and foremost po, taga saan po kayo dito sa Pilipinas, sir?
Ako po ay taga Bohol. So taga ako, Sierrabo Lunes. We live in Sierrabo Lunes when I was a kid, and then we moved here in Baclayon, Bohol, here in Tagbilaran, because when I studied fine arts, major in advertising, dito na ako nag-aaral dito sa Tagbilaran po, sir.
Pero sir, pila ng imuhang edad, sir?
I am 29 years old, sir. So 29 years old ko, and then I'm a full-time artist here in Bohol. And then before ko naga full-time, I work as a layout artist and a graphic artist in the 2 publishing company here in Bohol. And then when I felt that yung aking mata is medyo lumala yung sakit, so I decided to stop. So nag-stop po akong mag-graphic, tapos nag-stop ako working with the computers kasi medyo lumala yung mata ko, sir. Kasi yung mata ko, sir, ngayon is 1,700, 1,500 po yung grado ng mata ko. So if sabihin nila legally blind daw kasi 1,000 plus, andun yung bracket nila for ganun na condition. Nakakakita lang ako ngayon, sir, so I can see the colors because I uses glasses and then I uses contact lenses. So with the aid of glasses and contact lenses, I can see naman po, sir, pero hindi po yung 20/20 vision because I have myopia, and then I also have astigmatism.
Pero anong kwento ni Mr. Elvin Vitor? Bakit po ito yung naisipan mong gawin, sir? And kailan po nag-sprout itong willingness nyo po or iyong interest po sa painting, Sir Elvin?
When I was a kid, sir, I was looking with my father. So he was drawing and then using watercolors and then sketching. So I asked my father to what kind of profession is that? So sinabi ng papa ko na dapat mag-aral ako mag-fine arts. So it is a job of being an artist. So that's why when I was in elementary years, I really put in my ambition that I wanted to become an artist. And then during my secondary, I really put in my ambition that I wanted to become a professional artist. And then kaya yun, nag-aaral ako mag-fine arts. Then I started painting and drawing and then selling some artworks and then exhibiting works during 2013. So hanggang doon tuloy-tuloy po ako sa art. Yun po, sir. And then I also exhibited in and outside Bohol, and then I also participated in the exhibition of Borobudur, Indonesia last year. So we exhibited with some of the prominent artists from Manila, yung mga kasama ko po doon. And then yun po, nag-attend po ako ng exhibit ng isang Spanish artist during 2019 sa Galicia, Spain. And then Yun, nag-on the spot din po ako sa Stuttgart, Germany last time. Yun po, sir.
Grabe, no? Oo. Pero sang bata ka, sir, lamharon pa ikaw, nakabato na ikaw sa mga pagkilala or mga awards during sa elementary o high school days mo, Sir Elvin?
Yun yung nakakatawa na part, sir, kasi when I was in elementary, I was dreaming to have another ribbon because wala talaga akong ribbon. So I mean meron akong isang ribbon, yun lang yung best in art, tapos artist of the year, hanggang nag-ano ko, sir, nag high school, isa lang po talaga yung ribbon ko. I was dreaming to have most behave, most punctual. Wala talaga, sir, eh. Yun lang talaga yung ribbon ko. So yun lang yung nakamit ko na artist of the year, and then best in art. Yun lang yung ribbon ko. And then when I was in high school, I participated in the press conference with the editorial cartooning, and then I am like second here in our province, Bohol. Then I participated in regional only, and then sadly hindi naman nanalo. So yun po, sir.
Okay. So, way back college, sa Elvin, nahubog talaga itong abilidad nyo po sa pagpinta at pag-blend po ng kulay?
When I was a kid, sir, talagang gusto ko yung kulay kasi may sira yung mata ko, eh. So
Mhm.
I have an eye defect. So that's why I love colors. That's why when I was a kid, I was dreaming to get the right colors, right art materials. But way back in Bukid, kasi sa Bukid ako nakatira,
Opo.
we are deprived with art materials. So
Mhm.
bihira lang kami pumunta dito sa sa syudad. So that's why when I studied college, I really invested on art materials po, sir. Nagtrabaho ako sa isang souvenir shop in order to buy quality colors. And then at the same time, pag merong nagpapag-drawing, merong nagpapaguhit, yun, nagre-reinvest ako into art materials. And then hanggang ngayon po, sir, yung mga i-invest ko is more on quality colors. So when I traveled like Singapore, Taiwan, I really buy quality colors like Old Holland, Rembrandt. So investing in art materials is good when you are an artist because it will last, it will give durability on your masterpieces. Yun po, sir.
Okay. Klaro gyud, sir. Pero first siguro, sir, nga masterpiece nga nahimo na sa Elvin, gamit ang imuhang mga color, sir. First masterpiece mo, sir. Ano nga topic or perhaps ano nga tema ang imong giguhit?
Unsa man, sir, sa unsa nga series, kay I have a lot of series man. So if karon ang atong isgutan sa akong mga masterpieces karon is more on Bulawanon series. I have to produce like 12 of that kind of series, and then now ang nagama pa nako is 3 pa nga series of hyper surrealism approach. So I fused the realism and hyper and then surrealism, so that I called it like hyper surrealism approach.
Mm.
And then
Okay.
yun po,
So,
sir, yung una is yung Handuraw sa Bulawanong Damgo. So yun po yung una. I really put like Bisayan title because I have to